Hey everyone, and welcome to Linear Programming for Linear Regression. This is a fun little course I made to answer a very common question I get in my linear regression class. My linear regression class is all about introducing you to the basics of machine learning. You learn about loss functions, models, and how your model learns by minimizing the loss. We all know that the loss for regression is usually the mean squared error, but many inquisitive students have asked, why do we use the mean squared error? We know that we would like the error to be positive, and obviously squaring it will accomplish that. But why can't we do something else, like take the absolute value? In fact, this is entirely possible. You never learn about this technique in a typical machine learning course because the solution method is entirely different. In particular, solving this problem requires an approach called linear programming. Linear programming is a technique you don't often hear about in machine learning, but it's very relevant for anyone doing any kind of number crunching, data analysis, or modeling. It's essential in fields such as operations research, quantitative finance, economics, engineering, and manufacturing. So if you would like to sharpen your skills and go beyond just the basics of linear regression and learn some cool techniques that are essential in many professions, then this course is for you. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in class.